Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to withdraw money from Quotex to Binance. To withdraw money from Quotex to Binance, you will need to transfer the funds from Quotex to compatible cryptocurrency wallet on Binance. Here's the step-by-step guide. First step is to log into your Binance account and get a deposit address. Open the Binance in a preferred web browser and log into your account. Select a fiat or spot. Find the cryptocurrency you plan to withdraw from Quotex. Common options include USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Click on Deposit button. Choose the correct network. If you are using Tron or BEP20 for Binance Smart Chain, copy the generated deposit address for the network. After that, you will need to log into your Quotex account. Then, go to the withdrawal section in your account. The third step is to withdraw funds from Quotex. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For example, USDT. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied in step 1 into the destination address field. Choose the same network you selected in Binance, for example TRC20, if you copied a TRC20 address from Binance. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review any fees and confirm. After that, wait for the confirmation. Cryptocurrency withdrawal can take a few minutes to hours depending on network congestion. You can monitor the transaction status on both Quotex and Binance. Once the transaction is confirmed, your fund will appear on your Binance spot wallet under the chosen cryptocurrency. Double check that both the network and the deposit address on Binance match the ones you are using on Quotex, as selecting the wrong network may lead to lost funds. So that is how you can withdraw money from Quotex to Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.